Hi, welcome to the Modelogix how-to video series. In this short video, we're going to show you how to add markups to a model. We're going to show you two ways to do this. One are markups that are specific to the model, and the other are system markups. So let's go and take a look at how the markups look on a model first. So I'm going to go to the Models folder and find my Palo Alto Medical Center model. I can see at the bottom here I have my net costs, and then I have two markups in here already. One is a markup on concrete materials, one is a contingency on labor and subs. Clicking the markups up at the top allows me to take a look and see how these were developed. Click the markup on concrete materials, and you can see that this is a 5% markup, and it's on division code 3000 only. And it applies only to the metric materials. In order to add a markup, we click down here in the lower left. We're going to go ahead and add a markup in for profit. You can press the Enter key or click the plus button. We'll put the profit in here. Let's make it 3%. It'll be on the total net cost of the estimate. We won't set it to a range or restrict the metrics by clicking on any of these here. And let's go back to our spreadsheet, take a look. And you can see down here I've got the profit markup. A second type of markup is a system markup, and that's something that is developed by the administrator of Modelogix. A person that has a user role can add it in if it's already in the system. The administrator can add markups into the system for others to use. Down here in the lower part of my screen, if I hover over the second button, it says choose a system markup to add to the model. So I click on that, and I see I've got 4 of them already listed in here. And I could choose one of these permits, for example, and I can put my own value on here. I can move it up. Take a look at the spreadsheet. And that's what I can do as a person with a user role. For an admin, I can use the setup and go to markups. And for example, if I always wanted to have a contingency markup available, I could click down here, type in contingency. And I could set it to 10%, so it'd be preset. And now that will be available to users when they go to put markups on their models. So for example, if I click on the demo model in the spreadsheet, I have no markups on this one. As a user, I would click on markups. I could again add specific markups to this estimate, or I could choose from system markups by clicking this button here, and by clicking on that I now have that contingency available to me as a user. Going back to my spreadsheet, I see the markup here. And that, in a nutshell, is how markups work in Modelogix. Thanks for watching this video.